What's up, guys? Welcome back to the sawmill. Today, it's been a few days since I slabbed these maple burl logs up, but I'm finally going to get them stacked here and see what figure is hiding inside of them. I got 3 of them to stack today. I'm going to hope to get them all done in a nice, timely manner, but I'm just excited to see what's inside of them. I mean, I can just see from the top couple slabs that we've got some nice figure in these. So here's what we're working with. Got my 3 little burly maple logs here, big leaf maples. Let's do a little walk around real quick and see the tops of them. I got quite a few slabs to do today, so let's get to it. Whenever we get some splashing going on, some nice figure going on, I'll stop and get a close-up. So here we go. Let's do a splash and see what we got in them. So you got a few little burls down here. Some nice burl action going on that one. Got some feathering, a little bark inclusion there. Some more burl coming down this side. Burl down through there. Some nice burl up here. Another little bark inclusion. We got some spalting down here on that end. And this one's got some figures, one of the top slabs, so it's going to have most of the burl figure in it. And just look at that right there. See all that little speckling in there. That's some nice hard burl. And all throughout this piece, you just got spots of just burl, where there's just burl all over this log. Some nice staining on that burl. Yeah, here's the first one. We'll get some stickers on it and keep going. We've got a lot of nice curl and burl down here at the base. Some nice solid burl. Some nice curly burl here. It's hard to see, pick up in the lighting. When you're here, you can see it real well. More burly edges around here. More on this side. Much curly burl there. Let's check this one out. Nice curl down through that burl and down through that burl. All along through there. Nice burl figure on these two. Of course, some more nice burls all through here. So, do some measurements real quick. This log was 11 foot 1 inch. Narrow end is 19. We got burl to burl, we got 27, 29 down here at the base. And you're looking 30 to 33, depending on where you measure from the burl. Center slab. Actually, the next one's the dead center. We got 2 foot on that one. 2 foot. And 18.5. This is a good sized little log. It's one of the smaller ones. Alright, back to stacking. There's a little burl cap that came off of it. There we go. Got some nice figures. It's just a little piece, but I've been saving every one of these things. I'm not going to get rid of them. I'll find something to do with it. Actually, you still got some nice curl on it. The burl's pretty soft. It'll take some stabilizing once it's dry, but it's still gonna make some nice lumber. And it's got all these little spalt lines down it. This one I think was just about too far gone, but I'm glad I sawed it when I did. I got a little bit of fungus in there from when I had it stacked for a little bit too long. That happened a lot on these older, punkier logs. Get some of that fungus from the air doesn't get in there where that sawdust is and cause a little bit of that fungus to grow, holds that moisture in. But we get this thing stacked up and continue on with the other ones. See, I'll show you, even in these punky logs, occasionally you get some hidden figure in them that's nice and solid. You can see some of that burl poking through on that piece, and we got that bird's eye burl poking down through there. Some of that bird's eye flecking all the way through here. And even down here on this end where these burls are punky, you get those nice spalted rotted lines, and they end up looking real nice when they're finished. But even in this piece of burl here, it's right there on the edge. It's still pretty solid. I can't pick at it, but it's got some of that nice bird's eye burl in it. Yeah, like I said, even these little punky logs, you never know what you're going to find in them. Still makes nice lumber, especially here for the Midwest. Stuff that we don't get. All right, let's keep rolling. Got some nice solid burl going on here. I'll get some measurements of it while we're at it. Let's see, down here at this burl, on this top piece, 21 inches. And it's about 11 foot long. Got a nice burl there. It'd be nice one to just chop off, make a bowl out of. I cut this one 12/4. And that burl's 6 inches wide by 3 inches. And that whole slab's 17 inches there. And then about 20 in the center. So overall, I mean, that was not a bad log for being so punky. Let's give you a splash and see what they look like. So that's definitely the pith there. Thing is soft. All it's got that bark including all the way down right there in the center of the tree. But all this burl down the side stuff is curly. Down there's got some spalting in it, and it's still pretty hard. It'll dry nice. And got that whole burl edge all down through there. And this other one's just got nice burl on it. Got that curly burl. Got that bird's eye in it. Got that all the way down. And then down here at the butt end, that burl's got some nice curl in it. And that burl's just got everything in it. That is a nice figured piece of burl. You can make some nice tables. Alright, got 2 more slabs on this log. And then we'll get to the one I've been waiting on. Oh, the joys of working alone sometimes. Nah, it ain't that bad. Let me get this set back up. Get this thing finished off here. These little pieces are always my favorite. They always seem to have the most figure in them. I'll do this bigger one first, just to show you. Get that bird's eye burl in there. A nice little piece of burl over here. Got some beautiful color. There's that burl there. Move on down to this one. Right, every burl on this log is just solid and beautiful, and you gotta love it. And then here's the cap pieces, the top pieces of it. And there's just so much curl and some quilt in those. You got all that burl down through there. Got all that burl through here. Look at that. It's just spalted burl. Look at all this curling around that knot. That curling continues all the way down through here, down to this burl. Just got so much tone, so much color to these things. And that's it for this log. Gonna do a little bonus footage here on this burl because I forgot about this little piece. And I figured it was gonna be exactly what you see there. That is just solid big leaf maple burl. Lean as can be. Man, that's nice. That thing is, get some measurements on it. 20 inches across, about 2 foot long, 9/4. That is a nice piece of burl, guys. I say this every time, but the camera doesn't do these things justice. I'm gonna start down here and just check out these little burls. Got some little worm damage or some beetle damage there. Just some nice little burls on this one. And we got some nice curling, some bird's eye around that knot. Got a bunch of these just little burls off here to the side. Let's see if I can get that glare off of this thing. Got some nice curl on that burl there. And as we move down, we got some really nice little burls down here on this end. Nice and solid. Some nice curl. Some nice figure. That thing is just a beauty. All right, we got some stickers and down to the next piece. A nice book mat. Got some rot down in the butt end, but still, overall, it's going to be a beautiful log. A lot more of that curl. Man, it's so hard to pick it up on the camera. On this one. Yeah, there you go, you can see it on that one. It goes all the way down this log. It's been about every burl we have. We got some spalting down on this end. And then we got this burl over here on this side. It's got some spalting in it. It's got a bark inclusion. It's got some curl. Just a nice looking little piece of wood. And then this is just the book match piece off of it. See how the curl down here in this burl. Go up the log here. Sorry, the kiln just kicked on. Some more burl on it. Some more burl on it. This wood this maple has some real nice tones to it. This is just a beautiful wood. It's gonna make a nice, small whatever's made out of it. I don't know if I'll keep this one long. I'll probably cut that one in half, make some more 5-foot pieces. But we got a few more to stack here. Let's keep on going. Nice curlings. Quilting in it. So we got some burl up here. It's hard to pick it up. There's some tiger striping down through here. You can kind of see that. Got some curl going on through here. And some more of this tiger striping right through there on this piece. And then just got a nice little burl right here. As we get further down, we get into that rot section, but it's got some burl in it. Still a nice looking piece. Still a lot you could do with this. We got one more piece. It's just 6/4. We'll go ahead and throw it on here, and we'll be done with this one. But on this last piece, we got some spalting up on this end. And that burl, got some curl on that burl also. Got some more, a little bit of burl right there, some spalting in it. Got some more tiger striping down through here. I wish that camera would pick it up better. It shines nice when you're here in person. Get down to this end, we got some nice curly burl going on here. So yeah, that's the end of that log. So all in all, I had 6 of these logs. This is the small one. I had a couple bigger ones. But all in all, I mean, I made out pretty well on these logs. Every one of these slabs will be for sale. I think I'll probably only keep 1 or 2 for myself. Got a few projects lined up that I think they're gonna look nice as some conference tables for some of the builders here in town. But yeah, if anybody's ever interested in any of these logs, any of these slabs, just contact me. My email will be down in the description box below. If you want any other slabs, we have all domestic hardwoods here from the Midwest. Got black walnut, white oak, red oak, soft maple, hard maple. We got some nice flaming maple here, hickory. We've got some osage, some ash. We got a little bit of everything here. So if you guys are ever in need of any hardwoods, any slabs, any dimensional lumber, just get a hold of me. Like I said, my email will be in the description below, and we'll work something out. If you know anybody that wants any of these slabs, have them contact me, or you contact me and give me their info. I'll work out some kind of little bit of commission with you, just for the help and for getting the word out. But I appreciate you guys as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.